Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3 channel. Do you want to send a live photo from your iPhone to an Android phone using WhatsApp but aren't sure how? As you may know, live photos are a unique iPhone feature that captures 1.5 seconds before and after a photo is taken, creating a short, moving image. However, when you try to send a live photo directly through WhatsApp to an Android user, it usually arrives as a still photo, losing that animated effect. But don't worry, there's a simple trick to share it while keeping the motion. Step 1. Open the Photos app on your iPhone and find the live photo you want to send. Next, tap the share icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Save as Video. This will convert the live photo into a short video clip, and it will be saved in your photo library. No extra app needed. Once that's done, open WhatsApp, choose the Android contact you want to send it to, and simply attach the video like you would any regular media file, either from the gallery icon or the attachment clip. This way, the Android user will receive the live photo in video format and will still be able to see the movement that makes it special. Alternatively, you can also turn your live photo into a GIF directly from the iPhone. Tap plus icon of the bottom corner, then select your live photo. Tap and hold and click Select a GIF. Then, share the GIF through WhatsApp. Keep in mind that WhatsApp currently doesn't support sending actual live photos with their interactive features like iMessage does. So converting them into videos or GIFs is the best workaround, and that's it. With just a few taps, you can send live photos from iPhone to Android via WhatsApp, and keep all the fun of those moving moments. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.